Hi guys, today is 28th December 2018 and this is Daily Current Affairs brought to you by Ekam IAS. And our topics are Delta Ranking, National Waterways, the new Parman Bridge, International Whaling Commission and our usual sessions mapped program as well as PQRS. And our very first news is the Delta Ranking as well as Aspiration Districts. And recently, the Niti Aayog released second Delta ranking of the aspirational districts. So, Niti Aayog released the Delta ranking of aspirational districts. And what about aspirational district? Aspirational district program is launched by the Prime Minister in January 2018. And the program aims at transforming some of the most underdeveloped districts of the country. So, the aspirational district program is launched by the Prime Minister in January 2018 and it aims to transform some of the most underdeveloped district of the country. And what about Delta ranking? Delta ranking measures the incremental progress across the 6 developmental themes in these particular aspirational districts. So, the Delta ranking gives ranking to these districts based on the 6 developmental themes. And the themes are like health and nutrition, education, agriculture as well as water resources, financial inclusion, skill development as well as basic infrastructure. So, aspirational districts are ranked based on these 6 themes by the Delta ranking released by the Niti Aayog. And according to the Delta ranking, Virudhunagar district of Tamil Nadu comes under the first position and it is termed as the most improved district. So, this Virudhunagar is emerged as the most improved district. As well as Kupwara of Jammu and Kashmir emerged as the fast mover. So, Virudhunagar is the most improved district and the Kupwara becomes the fast mover district in case of these 6 theme based development indices. So, our news is about the Delta ranking. Delta ranking is released by the Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog releases the Delta ranking about the aspirational districts. And the aspirational district program aims to transform some of the most backward or underdeveloped districts of the country. And the program is launched by the Prime Minister. And Delta ranking makes ranks to this particular district based on 6 themes. And those themes are health and nutrition, education, agriculture and water resources, financial inclusion, skill development as well as basic infrastructure. And Virudhunagar district of Tamil Nadu came first or emerged as the most improved district as well as Kupwara is in the fast mover part. And our next news is about the national waterways. And we have now 111 national waterways proposed under the or declared under the National Waterways Act 2016. According to the National Waterways Act 2016, we have 111, that is 111 national waterways in which 13 national waterways are operational for shipping as well as navigation. So, we have 111 national waterways in which now 13 become operational. 13 national waterways become operational for shipping and navigation. And the first one is the National Waterway 1 which is through the rivers Ganga, Bhagirathi as well as Hooghly. This National Waterway 1 is from Ganga, Bhagirathi as well as Hooghly rivers connecting the 2 cities. One is Allahabad as well as Haldia. So, National Waterway 1 connects Allahabad and Haldia and it passes through the states Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar as well as West Bengal. So, National Waterway 1. And the next one is National Waterway 2. It is through the Brahmaputra river. It connects Dhubri and Sadia of Assam. So, National Waterway 1 passes through UP, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. National Waterway 2 is in Brahmaputra river. It connects Dhubri and Sadia of Assam. As well as National Waterway 3. It is the West Coast Canal system. Or it is the West Coast Canal connecting Kollam as well as Kottapuram. Kollam and Kottapuram of Kerala. So, that is the National Waterway 3. And the National Waterway 4, the phase 1 of National Waterway 4 is developed. It is between the Muktiala to Vijayawada in the river Krishna. And this National Waterway 4, NW4 is in Andhra Pradesh. And I already told you, out of 111, 13 national waterways are now under the consideration for navigation and shipping or developed under the navigation and shipping. And I have explained the 4 and rest 9 are there. They are, and we have some almost 4 waterways in Maharashtra. One is NW10, National Waterway 10, NW83, NW85 as well as NW91. And then National Waterway 10 is in the Amba River. National Waterway 83 is in the Rajpuri Creek. National Waterway 85 is from Reva Neda Creek to Kundaliga River. Reva Danda Creek to Kundaliga River system. And National Waterway 91, it is between Shastri River to Jaigarh Creek system. So, these are the 4 national waterways in the Maharashtra, and we have 2 national waterways in Goa. One is NW68, it is in the Mandovi River from Usgaon Bridge to the Arabian Sea. Usgaon Bridge to the Arabian Sea, as well as National Waterway 111. The last one is in Goa, and it is in the river Zuari. It from Sanvar Dam Bridge to the Marmagao Port. So, National Waterway 111 is then from between the Sanvar Dam Bridge to the Marmagao Port. Also, we have 2 national waterways in Gujarat as well as Maharashtra, and one is the National Waterway 73 between the Narmada River, as well as National Waterway 100. It is in the Tapi River, Tapi or Tapti River. Also, the last one is the Sundarbans Waterways, and it is the National Waterway 97. National Waterway 97. It connects the Namkhana to the Atra Bankal. It connects the Namkhana to the Atra Banikhal of the West Bengal. So, it is, I think it is very important because it passes through the Indo-Bangladesh Protocol route. It is very important. So, one of the previous question was asked about the national waterways. So, you need to remember all these 13 national waterways, and there is an assignment for you. You try to locate all these 13 national waterways now become operational. And you will get the names and list of these national waterways from our PDF, which is provided in the description section. So, our next news is about the new Parman Bridge. And the Indian Railway is looking to construct a new Parman Bridge as well as a rail link between the Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi. So, Indian Railway is planning to construct a new Parman Bridge as well as a railway line between Rameshwaram to Dhanushkodi. So, about the new Parman Bridge. The new Parman Bridge will connect the Mandapam on the mainland to the Rameshwaram in the Parman Islands. So, I'll see you. The image on the left is the proposed Parman Bridge, and this connects the Mandapam, which is in the mainland of Tamil Nadu or mainland of India, to the Rameshwaram, which is located on the Parman Island. And this Parman Bridge will be a first vertical lift sea bridge of the Indian Railways. First vertical lift sea bridge of the Indian Railways. That means it allows the movement of ship as well as steamers. When ship or steamers arrive the particular bridge, the bridge will lift it vertically. So, when ship or steamers reach near the Parman Bridge, it can cross through the bridge because the bridge will lift vertically. And ship or steamers having height more than 22 meters or the ship having ground clearance more than 22 meters can pass through this new Parman Bridge. And this new Parman Bridge will be built parallel to the old Parman Bridge. It is almost 104 years old, and it was built in 1914. It was built in 1914, and this bridge will be parallel to the old Parman Bridge. Now, the old Parman Bridge is practically non-operational. So, this new Parman Bridge will be parallel to the old Parman Bridge. And it connects the Mandapam, which is in Tamil Nadu, to the Rameshwaram, to the Rameshwaram of the Parman Islands. And you can see the bridge. It connects the image on the left side, Mandapam in Tamil Nadu to the Rameshwaram, which is in the Parman Island. And the new proposed railway line is a 17-kilometer railway line between the Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi. You can see the picture on the right side, Rameshwaram to Dhanushkodi. You can also see Mandapam there. Mandapam is near in the mainland, and Mandapam to Rameshwaram there will be Parman Bridge, as well as Mandapam to Rameshwaram there will be Parman Bridge, and Rameshwaram to Dhanushkodi there will be a railway line. And Rameshwaram to Dhanushkodi, it is almost 17 kilometer long. It is almost 17 kilometer long, and we know that the Dhanushkodi is the tip of India, or Dhanushkodi also can be said as the starting point of Ram Setu. So, it is the starting point of Ram Setu, and it is a place of high religious importance of Hinduism. And Ram Setu, the Dhanushkodi is the starting point of the Ram Setu. So, the pilgrims can easily reach the particular holy town. So after coming of this railway line, the pilgrims can easily reach the holy town from Rameshwaram to Dhanushkodi, because it is the starting point of the Ramsetu Akka Adams Bridge. So our news is about the new Parman Bridge. The Indian Railway is planning to construct a railway line as well as a new Parman Bridge. And the new Parman Bridge will be connecting Mandapam, which is in the Tamil Nadu or the mainland, to the Rameshwaram in the Pamban Island. And it is a vertical lift sea bridge, and the ship can pass through the particular sea bridge. It will be connected, it will be built parallel to the old Pamban Bridge, which is almost a century years old. And the new railway line will be connecting Rameshwaram to Dhanushkodi. It's clearly evident in the pictures, you can see. Will be connecting the Rameshwaram to Dhanushkodi, and Dhanushkodi is the starting point of the Ramsetu. You can see Ramsetu there. It is described as Adams Bridge there, and the English name is, another name is Adams Bridge, and it is the Dhanushkodi is the starting point of the Ramsetu or Adams Bridge. Thus the pilgrims can easily reach the particular place. So our next news is about the International Whaling Commission. Japan withdrew from the International Whaling Commissions. So Japan is withdrawing from the International Whaling Commission, so it can resume the commercial whaling or commercial hunting of whales. So Japan will withdraw from the International Whaling Commission, thus it can resume the commercial hunting of whales or commercial whaling from the next year. And the Japanese whalers will be able to resume this particular whaling in the Japan's coastal water only. So they can whale or they can do whaling in the Japanese coastal waters, and with this Japan becomes the third country to openly defy the IWC after Iceland as well as Norway. So Iceland and Norway earlier withdrawn from the International Whaling Commission to do the commercial whaling. So Japan becomes the third country after Iceland and Norway to do the commercial whaling. And about International Whaling Commission, it is a global body mainly aimed for the conservation of whales as well as the management of whaling. So International Whaling Commission is a global body mainly aimed for the conservation of whales as well as the management of whaling. And the IWC or International Whaling Commission have 89 member governments, 89 member nations. All are signatory to the International Convention on Regulation of Whaling. All these 89 countries are signatories to the International Convention of the Regulation of Whaling. Thus, Japan is withdrawing from the particular IWC. And the International Whaling Commission also works to address the various non-whaling issues. It also works to address the various non-whaling issues such as the ship strike, marine debris, climate change as well as the environmental concerns. So they are not only related with whaling, they are also related with non-whaling such as the marine debris, environment concern as well as the climate change. So our news is about the International Whaling Commission. Japan is withdrawing from the International Whaling Commission after Iceland and Norway. So they can resume the commercial hunting of whales or commercial whaling from the next year. The International Whaling Commission is mainly aimed for the conservation of whales and management of the whaling. It is a 89 members are there, 89 member governments are a part of the Whaling Commission, and all the members are signatories to the International Convention for the Regulation of Whaling. And our next session is the MAPEDO program. On MAPEDO program we have Ross Sea. Ross Sea is a deep bay of the Southern Ocean in Antarctica. You can see Ross Sea is there. Ross Sea is a deep bay in the Southern Ocean. You can also look at the Southern Ocean in Antarctica. It can be said as the southernmost sea on Earth. We know the location of Antarctica, and it can be considered as the southernmost sea on the Earth. Southernmost sea on the Earth. It also termed sometimes referred to as the last ocean. It is sometimes referred to as the last ocean because it is largely untouched by humans. And the main species inhabiting that particular area are emperor penguins, leopard seals, mink whales as well as killer whales. So these species are inhabiting in the Ross Sea, and you can locate the Ross Sea. It is in the Southern Ocean. It is a deep bay in the Southern Ocean. It is in Antarctica, and it is also the southernmost sea on Earth. And Rosie is also termed as the last ocean because it is almost untouched by humans. And the species living in the particular sea are emperor penguins, leopard seals, as well as minke whale and killer whales. And our final session is the PQRS, that is previous question revision series, in which we have a question from 2014 prelims with reference to global environment facility. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Option A, it serves as a financial mechanism on Convention on Biological Diversity and United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Option A. And option B, it undertakes scientific research on environmental issues at a global level. And option C, it is an agency under the OECD. It is an agency under the OECD to facilitate the transfer of technology and funds to underdeveloped countries with specific aim to protect the environment. Option B, both A and D. So, the question is about the Global Environment Facility or GEF, and the options are as such. It serves as a financial mechanism for the Convention on Biological Diversity as well as UNFCCC. And the option is right. We know the option is right. Option A is right. And option B, it undertakes the scientific research on environmental issues at the global level. Option B is ambiguous because we may feel that the option B is also right. But there is no reference mentioned in the website regarding scientific research on environmental issues at the global level. And the task is mainly to finance the projects and the publication of some reports. So, GEF is mainly to finance some projects as well as publication of some reports, and it is not it will not undertake the scientific research on environmental issues at a global level. Anyway, option C, it is an agency of OECD to facilitate. The option is also, we know the option is wrong because it is program under the World Bank. GF is a program under the World Bank. Therefore, option C is wrong. So, we have two options left. One is A. A is definitely A is true, and option D. Option D, that is both A and B. But according to the website, there is no such information regarding the scientific research. Our final words come from UPSC, and according to the UPSC answer key, the answer is option A. So, UPSC rejected the option D, and the final answer is option A. It serves as a financial mechanism to Convention of Biological Diversity as well as UNFCCC, and it does not conduct any scientific research, and it is an agency under the World Bank. So, thank you so much for watching. And for more news and detailed explanation, you can refer to the PDF which is available in the description section. Hope you are following the website newiascap.com. Good night.